It's great to be here around the table, and there's been a lot of work to be done, of course, but there has also already a lot of work been done. So that's why we can sign the document today, and I think that's a great step forward. And it's not our last step, of course not, because there's a lot of work to be done, but it's a first step, and it's an important first step, because it will improve the life of the people here on Statia. And that's why I went to politics, and that's why we all went to do the job that we are doing, and to make an improvement in the life of the people that count on us. It's very important to do so, and in a very concrete way, to renovate the houses, to build new social houses, and I think that's a very important step forward for the people of Statia. So I really want to sign this document, and I'm very much looking forward to everything that's laying in the future, because we had some good talks this morning with the Commissioner and with the Deputy Commissioner, with the Island Council, and I think that we have a lot in common, and I think we have set up an agenda for us for the next years, and I think it's a great opportunity for us to improve the situation on the island, and I'm really willing to do my utmost to help to realize that agenda. So thank you very much, everyone, and looking forward to everything that